Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook feed not loading. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. If you have some issues with your feed not being properly loaded, then we have some solutions. First of all, make sure that the app is fully closed and outside. Now from here we're going to go to our settings. Once you go to the settings, then you're going to click on the app section that is on the third button. Now from here you're going to either select Facebook from this list, or you're going to click on see all apps. Once you go right here, you're going to search for Facebook. Once you have arrived to Facebook, you're going to see the third button that says storage and cache. Click on that one, and then from here you're going to click the button that says clear cache. Once that has been cleared, then you're going to close this. Now we're going to check for the latest update. Make sure to click on the Play Store or the App Store that you have for your device. Then from here you're going to click on search, and then you're going to search for Facebook. Once you have gone here, you're going to click on the first option, and if it says update instead of open right here, then simply click on the update button. Now finally we're going to make sure that our phone is fully up to date. So from here you're going to go to the settings again. And once you get to the settings, you can scroll all the way down, and then from here you're going to see the system button. And once you go to the system button, you can see the system update button. And then from here you're going to check if there are any system updates for the phone, and so once it has, then just update it and then restart, and you should be good to go to solve the issue. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.